Hey there, I'm Lisa from Recreated Designs, and I have been working on something super special that is going to be launching soon. So I wanted to take a minute today and just tell you a little bit about it. If you have ever wanted to feel more confident with upcycling, or learn some new creative techniques, or just carve out more time to do what you love, then the Recreated Designs Insider Club is going to be for you. So what's inside the club? Well, each month you're going to get 1 to 2 easy to follow DIY project videos. Think small furniture flips, crafty makeovers, home decor that you actually want in your space, and tons of upcycling, or as I like to call it, if you know me, ChicCycling. So you're also going to get a mini class where I teach you a specific skill or technique, something like blending paint, decoupage, furniture prep, and lots to do with thrifting. You are also going to get a live Q&A with me each month. So you can ask questions, you can get help and advice, and we can connect in real time because I absolutely love that. Plus, you're going to get exclusive emails with tips, inspiration, behind the scenes things about what I'm doing, and sneak peeks just for our members. And one of my favorite parts of the club is going to be our private Facebook group. This is where a community of people where you can share your projects, you can ask questions, and you can just be surrounded with like-minded creatives who get it. So the Insiders Club is all about helping you create beautiful things without stress or pressure or the need for perfection. Whether you're brand new to upcycling or you've been painting and creating for years, this is your space to grow and get inspired and just have a ton of fun. So come and join me. I can't wait to ChicCycle with you and to see all of the things that you're going to create. I'll see you soon inside the Insiders Club. Bye.